Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, phone and Xuv700. Connect a reliable USB-C cable to prevent intermittent data issues. Cheap cables often charge only. On your Android phone, enable Android Auto and Bluetooth and keep the screen unlocked so pairing prompts appear. In the car, set the infotainment to the phone/USB input and accept terms if prompted. Once done, the system will search for your phone. This immediate setup step reduces connection failures and speeds pairing. Now you pair and authorize Android Auto. With the phone plugged in, watch both screens. Accept Bluetooth pairing on the phone, then permit Android Auto access to contacts, messages, and location. These permissions enable calls, navigation, and text readouts. In the Xuv700, select the Android Auto icon and confirm it as the active input. Make sure media routing is set to car audio. Otherwise, navigation, voice, and calls may stay on the phone. Once paired, the system should load the Android Auto interface. Finish by verifying core functions. Start navigation, place a test call, and play music to confirm audio routing and microphone operation. If Android Auto doesn't appear, first unplug and replug the cable, then reboot your phone. This often clears temporary glitches. Make sure Android Auto permissions are enabled if prompts were missed. For persistent failures, update your phone OS and the car's infotainment firmware, or try a different high-quality USB cable or USB port. This eliminates compatibility and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.